Previously on the D&V TV Christmas special.
Santa lots of reindeers. David and Bernardina help. Sarah more Worcestershire. Worcestershire Worry Petition.
Welcome to the D&V TV Christmas special. Today we start with 8 competitors on our Santa's Helpers bracket. Today's competition is all about speed. Heading over to our first competitors, we got the Mystery Machine versus Darth Vader.
1, 2, 3, go. I find Vader.
What incredible speed from Darth Vader. He continues on our bracket to be one of Santa's helpers. Next up, we have Scooby versus Son of a Digger.
On your mark, drivers, get set, go. Scooby.
Whoa, these two are super fast, but after review, we had to call this one a tie. Time for a redo. Man, these monster trucks really want to be Santa's helpers because again these two tied. Time for another redo.
I see. Scooby.
Way to go, Scooby, to press through that pressure. On to the next round to become one of Santa's helpers. Next up, we have Dragon versus Avenger.
1, 2, 3, go.
What a close race, but Avenger takes the lead, moving on to compete to be one of Santa's helpers. Next, we have Aqua Stallion versus Monster Mutt.
1, 2, 3, go.
What an incredible race, but Aqua Stallion takes the lead, moving on to the second round. Starting off round 2, we have Darth Vader versus Scooby. Whoa, what a race, but Darth Vader takes the lead, advancing him to the final round, where he gets a chance to become one of Santa's helpers. Next up, we have Avenger versus Aqua Stallion.
Go. Avenger.
Avenger takes a big lead on this race and it advances him to the final round, giving him a chance to become one of Santa's helpers. For the final round, we have Darth Vader versus Avenger.
1, 2, 3, go.
What an incredible race from both competitors, but Darth Vader takes the lead, becoming one of Santa's helpers.
Congratulations to our champion, Darth Vader. You were the fastest. Gonna help Santa pull his sled. Thank you for watching the NVTV. Like and subscribe.